Today's outfit. I'm heading to the hospital for checking my health. I wear a really casual outfit, you know, the skirt, denim skirt from Forever 21 and crop top from Forever 21, and that's it. I wear a ring, earring, and just do normal makeup, but I put more foundation on my skin because my skin breaks out so much these days. Yeah, and that's it. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. Today's OOTD talk is all about self-belief, and you can see the angle of my video is kind of different compared to before because my room is kind of messy. So I prepared this video really honest, you know, I think kind of casual, and my room is so messy, but I don't want to clean up because I'm heading to hospital for checking my health. Anyway, so this is, I'm so confused. After college, I'm so confused because in college there are like specific way to live because every people doing the similar things, so it's not that hard. Especially my university is really focused on foreign languages, so you know, just my colleague, my friends like do similar things, but actually I didn't really enjoy that. I just did because I was freaking worried about not getting good score. I just used studying for getting rid of my worry, you know what I mean? So after graduation, there are so many ways to live, like people are so freaking different. I don't look like that, but I worried a lot. But this is I'm learning to how to deal with. But we are all worries about something. So this is, I really need some self-belief. So try to do my best to listen to my inner voice. When I have some free time, just wrote down how I feel, why I think like that, what is my worries, how to solve them, you know, those kind of things. Just write down. Sometimes, you know, just your stomach tells you something like, you know, naturally, but it's kind of hard to follow that because you're scared, and that means I should change in a little bit to make my life better. This isn't so confused and it's hard to believe who, but I know I should believe myself. That's the only thing I can do. But you know, when you like, you know, you can just hear so many things like from ad, people, news, book, the way we should live or something. That's confused. I like myself, but just like self-doubt comes out these days so much because of the season, because there are so many things I choose for myself. Yeah, I'm the kind of person that just do what I want. Sometimes the self-doubt comes out from my heart, like that's so painful. Like I cannot explain that well, but in the weird feeling in my stomach I can feel. I really hate that when I feel that. So this is, I try to do my best to believe myself. Yeah, I've really get improved a lot to believe myself because by meeting like so many different people and some experiences, I learned that there is no specific answer for life. Because I want to be myself. I want to be free. Thanks for watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. And have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and see you on my next video. Bye.